Okay guys, welcome to attacking phase. In this lecture, we are going to attack on stored based accesses in very low security, and let's see what it's going to be, how we can simply exploit it. Okay guys, so first of all, what you need to do, as we all know, that you need to open a web browser and simply type the IP address of OWASP BWA, so which is this, and hit enter. So after hitting enter, you will find this kind of interface. So let me zoom it so that we can easily see whatever we are doing here. Let me scroll it down. You will find damn vulnerable application, and simply you need to hit enter. So when you hit enter, you will see this kind of interface. So as we all know that admin is the username and the password is same, which is admin. And now hit enter on login. So don't save because it is quite irritating. So now guys, we are inside the DVWA. So here you can find lots of vulnerabilities that we have inside this, so we can practice here. So for in this particular lecture, we are going to start with the accesses stored based. Okay guys, okay, not for stored based, let's try with the accesses reflected one, so that it will be easy to going in the order, which is access reflected then store. Okay guys, for that you need to simply choose a security to low and simply click on submit. So the next thing that you need to do is simply click on access as reflected. So what it is doing here, so as you can see that vulnerability reflected cross-site scripting, and it is asking for what is your name. So this is asking for the name, so I'm going to give my name here, which is Devakar, and now simply click on submit. So when I click on submit, as you can see that it is giving us hello Devakar. That simply means it is reflecting something on the web page. Like I will enter here 1, now hit enter, hello 1. Now again I want to do like 2. Now what it is doing, hello is pre-scripted, but whatever we are entering here, it is just reflecting that particular word or a string in front of you in the web page. So this is how it is working here. Okay guys, so when you see the link here, which is, as you can see, this is the link of this, what it is doing here, this is the thing that we have entered here. Suppose like, let me change it here, Devakar. Okay, so now as we all know, this is hit enter, get paste request. So when I type anything on this name parameter, whatever I am going to type here, it is reflecting on the web page, which is hit this. Okay, so for that reason, I want to see the source page so that we can understand this attack very easily. Okay guys, so this is the page that we have here. Okay, so now let's see, is there any kind of okay, where it is, let me increase the size of this. Okay guys, so as you can see, there is nothing like filtering. So this is what it is doing. This is the PHP, and this is simply getting your name, and it is simply echo name hello, and this is giving your name, get name. Whatever you enter in the place of name, it will simply get name and echo with the hello. Okay guys, so there is nothing like we can say there is nothing like it is filtering something. So now we are well known that it is reflecting on the web page. So now it is the clue, or it is the hint to try with the XSS payload. So what you can do here is, now let's try with the simplest JavaScript payload, which is a script. And after script, simply use alert, and inside alert use the string, like I want to see you have been hacked. So this is a string that I want to display on a pop-up window. Okay, after that, what you need to do here is simply use this script. Okay, script, just close this. Okay, now hit enter. So when you hit enter, as you can see that this is the pop-up window like this, you have been hacked. So when you click on this, okay, it will simply just disappear. So what is the conclusion here? So conclusion here, when you see it up here, you will see this is executing our whole command. Whatever we are entering here, it is not filtering anything. Anything means anything. So now let's try with some other command, that is for body script or body tag actually, on load alert. Now let's give it here hacked. Okay, so this is what, Let's try to hit enter. As you can see, this is simply reflecting whatever we want to reflect here. So what is the drawback of this particular thing? Suppose that I have entered like this is the script and enter. So in place of you have been hacked, I can simply put a link here, and the link which is related to the malicious website. Suppose I have entered this particular link here and I send this whole script to the we can say client. So when the client execute that script, and the client will see this particular dialog box. So what it will do, he or she will simply click on that link and they will be redirected to the malicious website. So with that malicious website, I can simply install the malware from the website to their computer, and I can easily hack their computer. So this is the drawback, and this is the dangerous of cross-site scripting reflected base. So this is how you can see in the low security, there is nothing like filter. You can do whatever you want to do. You can simply inject any code here. So I have searched a website for you so that you can simply there is no need to learn JavaScript. You can use simply payloads like this. We are having lots of payloads here. You can use any one of them, and you can simply enter on a form where it is asking for something. You can enter there and you will have the result. Suppose that I have chosen one of them, like let me get back to it. Okay, I want to do this. I want to inject this particular script. So I will copy this and I will inject this, and now hit enter. Let's see what it is going to do. So this is what it is saying. This is taking it as a script alert1. Okay, let's see what this script is for. Alert x1 script. Okay, so this is what it is doing here. Let me again copy this. Let's try to here's the terminator. Now it is not taking it as alert1. So now let's try other one. There we are having lots of payloads which you can use here on error. Let's try with this one. There are some which will not work, there are some which will work. So it's upon test on error. As you can see, this is again not working. So what is the problem here? Source, let me check here. Source 1 href1 and 1 error JavaScript alert. Okay, JavaScript alert. Okay, why it is not working? This is not working because what we did here is this is one error on error. Actually this is inside these braces or these double quotes. So this is why it is taking it as a script. So when you see the result, let me again run this one. What it will do is simply print JavaScript alert. Okay, so as you can see, when I click on submit, okay, why it is not submitting? Okay, let me set up here stored based. Let's do where this is. As you can see, it is not taking it as our desired output. Okay, so here we have lots of like this. Let's run this. This is giving us a result. So here we have lots of payloads. You can try one of them and it will work actually. So this is upon you what kind of things you want to do here. So in this case, what I want to teach you is that if you are writing something like hello, and when you hit enter, you are seeing that your string is reflecting here in the web page and in the link also. So you can try to inject any JavaScript code. So if it is injectable to XSS, so it will simply reflect whatever you want to do with the help of JavaScript code. So this is all for this lecture, guys. In the next lecture, we are going to try with the medium one.